Top 10 facts about Asia. Number 1. There are 49 countries in Asia. They include India, China, Thailand, Vietnam, Japan, and Pakistan, and many countries. Number 2. Two countries in Asia are also in Europe. Russia and Turkey have both land in Europe and land in Asia. Number 3. This makes Asia the continent with the most people live in it. More than 4.7 billion people live on the continent. Number 4. Asia is home to around 2,300 languages. The most widely spoken Asian languages are Chinese, Hindi, Indonesian, Bengali, and Japanese. Pakistani and Hindi is also the oldest language in the world. Number 5. There are 12 landlocked countries in Asia. Landlocked means countries which do not have a coastline to or not on the sea. The landlocked countries in Asia are Armenia, Bhutan, Nepal, Mongolia, Afghanistan, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Azerbaijan. Number 6. The continent covers one third of the Earth's surface. That marks it the biggest continent in the world. Number 7. Asia has the highest mountain in the world. Mount Everest is part of the Himalaya. Mountains range the Himalaya are spread across 5 Asian countries: Bhutan, China, Nepal. Number 8. The biggest island in Asia is Borneo. Borneo is South Asian country. It is the third largest island in the world and the largest in Asia. The island belongs to the three countries, Malaysia and Brunei in the north and Indonesia in the south. Borneo is known for its rainforest. Many animals only live on this island, such as the Borneo. Number 9. Asia is the birthplace of all major religions. Asia is the birthplace of all the major religions: Buddhism, Christian, Hinduism, Islam, and Judaism. Buddhism, for example, began in India and is now a key religion in China, South Korea, Japan, and Southeast Asian countries, and Sri Lanka. Number 10 and last fact: Asia has a very varied climate. Some parts of Asia are very cold, like Siberia in Russia, whereas countries like Thailand and the Maldives are known for tropical weather. This means regions. There is varied animals and wildlife across Asia, from jungles with monkeys to polar bears in colder